Outstanding design defines the 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, heated seats, front and rear air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, rear parking sensors, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.